What if I told you that that particular video you've been hiding, thinking it's not good enough to go public, might actually be the one that goes viral and makes you money here on YouTube? I know it sounds unbelievable, right? But I have evidence to show you guys. This particular video I did on how to make a reaction video. It's actually a 2-minute video. And this video did not start getting views immediately when I posted it. In fact, it took a while before this particular video went viral and started getting views. But before I show you guys how much YouTube paid me for this particular 2-minute video that has 8.8k views, I want you to understand something very important. First, the amount of money you earn on YouTube doesn't just depend on your views alone. It depends on several factors. Let's say, for example, 2 different videos, both have 1k views each. Video B got 1k views and video C also got 1k views. Now, that doesn't mean that both videos will earn the same amount of revenue simply because the videos got 1k views each. Reason is because factors like niche, audience, watch time, and location all plays a huge role in how much revenue you get on your videos. Now, the reason for this video is not to show off, okay, but to encourage you, because I see a lot of creators sharing how much YouTube paid them for 1 million views, 600,000 views, 400,000 views, even 1,000 views, and so on. So, what about those of us who don't get such amount of views on our videos? Are we not going to earn on YouTube? Well, the fact is this: once your channel gets monetized, I mean, after you apply for monetization and your channel gets approved, any video you upload or post after that, no matter how short the video is, or no matter how low the views you get on those videos are, the fact still remains, those videos will start earning small revenue for you. Like this particular video that I want to show you now. In fact, the video is not a complete 2-minute video. It's just a 1 minute 51 seconds video, as you will see for yourself, okay? But what I got from this particular video will shock you. And mind you, this video is still getting views because people are still interested in this video. And that means the revenue will keep increasing. So let me share my screen with you so you can see it for yourself, okay? Now, this video got 8.8k views. So let's quickly go to the reach of this video. The impression on this video is 71.7k impressions. That is 71,700 people saw this video. Now, people found this video through YouTube search. That is, when people come on YouTube to search for terms like how to do reaction video or just reaction video, my video is one of the videos shown to people. And you can also see that people found the video through other YouTube features, okay? Now, this video has 163 watch time, which is good. Average view duration is also very good for a 2-minute video. And people are still interested in the video. Now, going to audience, this particular video gave me 94 additional subscribers, which is very impressive. So now, let's go to the revenue of this video. So first of all, let's see how much advertisers are willing to pay for this video per 1k views. That is the CPM, okay? So down here, this is what advertisers are paying for this video. $5. But mind you, the CPM always fluctuates. It doesn't remain the same all the time, okay? Now, the revenue per 1K views, which is the RPM, is $1.72. Now, finally, this is how much this 1 minute 51 seconds video got me. $15. Just imagine a 1 minute 51 seconds video. In fact, let's just say a 2 minutes video getting $15. Amazing, right? See, every view counts once you are monetized on YouTube. Okay? So, the money earned on this video comes from the watch page ads, all the ads shown on this video. So that is it for how much YouTube paid me for this particular video. Okay, so guys, please don't forget to share this video so as to encourage someone out there. Okay, subscribe to my channel for more YouTube growth tips like this. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.